हंसो नयतु नः प्रज्ञा।
Heavy school bags have genuinely become a cause of great concern for parents, children, and the school authorities. As a result of carrying a heavy weight on their backs, a large number of children suffer from growing deformities that cannot even be corrected. Back pain, excessive fatigue, poor body posture, neck and shoulder pain are extremely common these days in children as young as 10 years. Numerous studies on the harmful effects of carrying heavy school bags reveal that the problems are not always instantly visible to the parents. So, before parents can recognize the signs of their child walking differently or complaining due to the heaviness of the bag, it might be too late. The child might already have developed a chronic condition that he or she would have to live with. The government has issued weight guidelines for school bags depending on child's age, citing studies that show how the load can affect soft developing spines. It has also been estimated by the World Health Organization that the weight of a school bag must not be greater than 10% of the body weight of the student. Keeping that in mind, there are recommendations made by the Ministry of Education through School Bag Weight Policy 2020. The table here depicts the class-wise average body weight of the children and the weight of the school bag recommended for carrying to and fro for the students. For example, a Class 1 student whose average weight is from 16 to 22 kg is supposed to carry a school bag weighing 1.6 to 2.2 kg only. To choose the correct school bag for your child, you should follow these guidelines. While buying a bag, make sure that the straps should be large and padded to evenly distribute the weight of the bag. Chest or waist straps provide additional support to your child. Please do not buy an oversized backpack, rather choose an appropriate size for your child. A low backpack can cause muscle strain on the shoulders. Please adjust the straps in such a way that the bottom of the backpack is not more than 4 inches below the waist. Do you see your child wearing his backpack like this? Do you see what is happening? As you can see, it causes a lot of stress on the spine. It will affect how the spine grows in future. Encourage your child to use both the shoulder straps. This helps to distribute the weight evenly and keep their shoulders straight. The backpack should not weigh more than 10% of your child's body weight. If your child leaves school looking like this, it shows that the bag is too heavy. This is the way an ideal bag should look like. We suggest the following guidelines to be implemented for classes preschool to class 8. Specific day-wise timetable is to be followed. Students will bring books according to the schedule. Monthly checks will be done to monitor the weight of the bags of students. An ideal size of water bottle recommended by school is 500 ml. School provides with the facility of fresh and clean drinking water, and the child can always refill the water bottle during school hours. Trolley bags are not allowed by school as they may cause accidents if not handled properly. School bags with wheels should also be avoided to reduce the bag weight and smooth climbing up and down the staircase. Lightweight tiffin box should be sent to school to maintain the bag weight. Material of the bag should also be light so that it is easier for a child to carry it. It is advised to wash the school bag on a regular basis to maintain proper hygiene. This video is prepared exclusively for the parents to create awareness. Thank you.